Look at our wonderful puppies. All these beautiful puppies. They're from 2 litters. We have the E puppies and we have the C puppies. Only one missing from the C puppies. So total of 12 puppies, but we have one missing from today. Look at how beautiful they are. Each and every one of them has different color coding. Oh, look at that. Come in all different colors. Some are really fluffy. Look at Fluffy. Fluffy. And Colleen is Fluffy. It's a nice day out, just chilling by the sun. Emmett? Oh, look at that. Cutie pie. It's Carl. So just playing with them, getting them socialized. We have a good friend volunteer here today. They're doing really well. Look at that. Relax. Just playing. Look at that. That's Kobe. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Emmett, huh, what are you chewing here? What's yummy there, huh? Wonderful pups. They're very mature and gentle and calm for their age.